Today we're going to show you how to install an optional drink rail that matches your deck on top of your Lincoln deck rail. Once the Lincoln deck rail is installed, you have the option of adding a drink rail that matches your deck. To do this, measure and cut matching composite deck board to length. Add and secure drink rail brackets. The first two drink rail brackets should be placed beside the top rail brackets at each end of the rail. Additional drink rail brackets should be placed at 2-foot intervals across the top of the rail. Lay composite deck over the top rail, center, and attach using 3/4-inch screws. These screws are not included. You may also cut down your aluminum posts and install the deck board across the top of the posts. Once secured, your Lincoln deck rail is complete. Time to party. Thank you for watching. For more information on ColorGuard railing systems, including product information, options and accessories, installation instructions, and inspirational ideas, please visit us at colorguardrailing.com.